So this is tank number 9. Tuning it right now. Okay, so that is when you go too far on the high. So go back to where you had it before. And that's when you know you reached the limit. So there we go. We got smoke back again. A lot of performance. So I think that's where I want to keep it. So just now I went all the way too lean for the engine, so the engine bogged down, and you saw that. So when you get to that point, you go quarter turn back to the last setting. That worked fine. Now we're getting smoke all the way at top end, which is good. Again, you don't want to hold down the throttle for more than 2 or 3 seconds because it's an off-road engine, so you don't want to hammer on it too much. Oops, pretty close right there. Idle sounds good. Idle is nice. Idle is good and stable. Part 3, final part of tuning, breaking in, tuning in the engine. I shut off right there, ran out of fuel. I actually got some fuel in there. I probably got tired, but engine is good. Let's see here. Flywheel is good. It's not seized, so I just shut off. Probably loaded up, but stay tuned, guys. This is the last of the 3-part series of breaking in and tuning the LRP 32X AMR modded engine in my Hot Bodies D817 Truggy, running the Nova Rossi 24064 carb, which is a 2-needle carb, and 8.5 millimeter Venturi I'm running Bones Brew, 30% nitro, 10% oil. I think my clutch bell is 13, running on a 50 spur. I have a 13 tooth hot bodies bell that I will install after this. Also running the BAS wheel hubs, hex nuts, and the Atom mid-range pipe 2106. Stay tuned, guys. I'll put the body on this in a week or so. It's been painted by my buddy, and it should look like an official truggy then. Peace.